The Lemon's Journey is a captivating and informative documentary that delves deep into the world of lemons, showcasing their incredible journey from tree to table. This citrusy adventure takes viewers on a vibrant and tangy ride, exploring the lemon's history, cultivation, cultural significance, and its remarkable versatility in various aspects of our lives. The Lemon's Journey is a visually stunning documentary that offers an in-depth exploration of the lemon, one of the world's most versatile and beloved fruits. From its origins in Asia to its global presence today, this film traces the lemon's fascinating journey through time and across continents. The documentary begins by delving into the lemon's rich history, as it was cultivated and traded for centuries. It was once considered a luxury item and has played a crucial role in the spice and trade routes that connected the East and West. The lemon's evolution as a symbol of vitality and a universal ingredient in various cultures is also highlighted. The film then transitions to the lemon's cultivation, taking viewers on a trip to lemon orchards across the world. It explores the challenges faced by lemon growers, from climate considerations to pest management, and the importance of sustainable farming practices. Through interviews with experts, chefs, and food historians, Sour Gold showcases the lemon's significance in the culinary world. It demonstrates how lemons are used in a wide range of dishes and beverages, enhancing flavors and adding zest to recipes from around the globe. In addition to its culinary applications, the documentary also explores the lemon's uses beyond the kitchen. From its role in natural medicine to its appearance in cosmetics, cleaning products, and art, the lemon's versatility is on full display. As the film concludes, it provides a glimpse into the lemon's place in our modern world, emphasizing its importance as a source of vitamin C and as a key ingredient in fighting food waste. It calls on viewers to appreciate this sour gold and consider the impact of lemons on our daily lives and the environment. The Lemon's Journey is a visually captivating and informative documentary that combines stunning cinematography, engaging storytelling, and expert commentary to create a compelling narrative about the lemon's history, cultivation, and cultural significance. Viewers will leave with a newfound appreciation for this vibrant fruit and its undeniable influence on our world.